Hello, my dear students. How are you all? And how was your summer vacation? I hope you all will be fine and enjoying so much during summer vacation. And now you should pay attention on your study. Okay? So, our today's topic is checking subtraction. Okay? But very first, we will discuss about last class topic. In last class, we have studied about subtraction with borrowing. Okay, so firstly, we will remind subtraction with borrowing. So let us start subtraction with borrowing. So we will start to subtract from right to left. Okay, from right, firstly we will subtract ones place number. So at ones place number, we can see here we have to subtract 7 ones from 4 ones, and we know we cannot subtract 7 ones from 4 ones. So what we will do? We will borrow from tens. We will borrow from tens. So tens will give 1 tens to 1. Tens will give 1 tens to 1. Okay? And we know 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. So here already 4 ones. So 10 ones plus 4 ones is equal to 14 ones. Okay? So now here 14 ones. So now we can subtract it. So we will subtract 7 ones from 14 ones. So 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. Okay? And when 4 tens will give 1 tens to 1, here will left only 3 tens. Okay? At tens place, we have to subtract 5 tens from 3 tens. Okay? We have to subtract 5 tens from 3 tens. Again, we know we cannot subtract it. So, we will borrow from 100. And when we will borrow from 100, 100 will give 100 to tens. 100 will give 100 to tens. And we know 100 is equal to 10 tens. Okay, so here already 3 ones. So 10 ones, 10 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 13 tens, is equal to 13 tens. So we will write here 13. And now we can subtract. So 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. And when 900 will give 1 to tens, here will left only 800. Okay, so now we have to subtract 600 from 800. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Okay, and now at 1000 place, we have to subtract 2000 from 5000. Okay, so we can easily subtract it. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So when we will subtract 2657 from 5944, we get 3287. Okay, so this is the subtraction with borrowing that we have studied in last class also. Okay, so now proceed with our today's topic. Okay, let us start our today's topic. Our today's topic is checking subtraction. So in this section of subtraction, we will learn how we can check our answer. When we will solve any subtraction, then so we can know it by checking subtraction. Okay, it means इसमें हम ये पता करेंगे कि हमारा जो आंसर है वो सही है या गलत। हमने किसी सब्ट्रैक्शन को सॉल्व किया, उसके बाद हमारा जो आंसर आया है वो आंसर सही है या नहीं, इसको चेक करने के लिए ये हम खुद से चेक कर सकते हैं और इसको हम चेक करने के लिए एक मेथड यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, सो सब्ट्रैक्शन कैन बी checked by using addition as subtraction is inverse of addition. Okay, so subtraction को हम चेक एडिशन का यूज़ करके कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि जो सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है वो एडिशन का इन्वर्स मीन्स अपोजिट होता है, उल्टा होता है. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इज सब्ट्रैक्ट 3275 फ्रॉम 4231 and check your answer. So firstly, what we will do, we will solve question. Firstly, we will subtract it. So we have to subtract 3275 from 4231. So we will start from ones. At ones place we have to subtract 5 ones from 1 1. So we know it is not possible. So we will carry from 10. So tens will give 1 tens, 2 ones. So here will be 11, and now we can subtract it. 11 minus 5, 6. Okay, and at tens place 3 has given 1 2 ones. So here will left only 2, and again we cannot subtract 7 from 2. So we will borrow from 100. So it will give 100 to tens. So here will be 12. Now we can subtract it. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Okay, and tens place here will left only 1. Again we will borrow from 1000. So when we will borrow from 1000, it will be 11. Now we can subtract 11 minus 2, 9, and here 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, सो सब्ट्रैक्शन को चेक करने के लिए मेथड क्या है, minuend इज इक्वल टू subtrahend प्लस differend. सो subtrahend इज 3275 and difference is 956. नाउ वी हैव टू ऐड इट. हम ये ऐड करेंगे और हमें क्या आंसर मिलता है 4231. जो 4231 है वो हम क्वेश्चन में भी देख सकते हैं कि हमारा जो minuend है वो 4231 ही है. सो दोनों सेम है, तो इसलिए हम कह सकते हैं कि हमारा जो आंसर है सब्ट्रैक्शन के बाद हमारा जो आंसर आया है, हमारा जो डिफरेंस है 956, ये क्या है, बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. ओके, सो वी विल लुक एट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज subtract 1253 from 8346 and check your answer. So firstly we will subtract it. We have to subtract 1253 from 8346. So we will start from ones. So 6 minus 3, 3, and again we have to subtract 5 tens from 4 tens. So we know it is not possible. So we will borrow from 100. When we will borrow from 100, it will be 14. So we will subtract if tens from 14. So 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Again at 100 place number we have to subtract 200 from 200. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, and at 1000 place number we have to subtract 1000 from 8000. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So our answer is 7093. So 7093 is difference, 1253 is subtrahend, and 8346 is minuend. Okay, so now we have to check our answer. 7093 is correct or incorrect. So let us check. We have to add subtrahend plus difference. So subtrahend is 1253 and difference is 7093. So check it. Add it firstly, 1253 and 7093. 3 plus 3, 6, 9, 5, 14, 4 and then 1 carry, 1, 2, 3 and 7, 1, 8. So our answer is 8346. Okay, it means minimum end is 8346 and we can see from question, in question minimum end is 8346, so both are same. It means our answer 7093 is totally correct. Okay, so now you have to solve some question based on checking subtraction. Firstly, you have to subtract question. After that, you have to check your answer. Your answer is correct or incorrect. Okay, so your homework is you have to solve exercise 4D. You have to solve exercise 4D. Okay, in exercise 4D has given subtract and check the answer. Okay, so you have to subtract firstly and after that you have to check your answer. Okay, I hope you have understood how we can check our answer, that our answer is correct or incorrect. Okay.